Hygiene is in the bottom left, bro. Okay, guys, let's go. RJ SO7, welcome back to my stream, bro. Best of luck for sure. All I got is an axe, lol. Okay, guys, let me see. Let's watch Samantha get clapped. Oh, I remember. I need to switch back to this. Raid Melons YT, welcome to my stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. I really appreciate that. I'm a ninja, lol. Good luck, bro. I'm gonna need that luck, bro. I'm really bad at knife. I'm really bad at sniping, bro. You guys are new, guys. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. Really appreciate that. There we go. Okay, guys. Let's go, guys. Lovely YT, welcome to my stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. I really appreciate that, guys. I'm trying to get to 400 followers today, guys. StandOff Lord should have done Crossfire. StandOff is too big for 3 players. It is, bro. I thought more people were gonna join though.
Changing mag.
Oh, bro, he had a trophy system one. What a lame move, bro. What the hell? Oh, he got me, bro, with the axe. So I should play on StandOff. Bro, he put a trophy system. What the hell? He got me though. It's 1-1. So it's Eris. Oh, Eris got 2 kills for us. That's I bought 2. What do you mean StandOff is so big? Maybe a smaller map like Takeoff? Bro, Takeoff is way too big, bro. Takeoff is way too big, bro. There's just no way we can play that one. El Pinchi Juan, welcome back to my stream, bro. No, bro, Takeoff is way too big, bro. There's just no way. Add Water, welcome back to my stream, bro. Add Water. Thanks for joining back, bro. Imagine using Takeoff for only 3v3. Tico, welcome back to the stream, bro. Sautama, welcome to my stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. I really appreciate that, bro. Oh, he's gonna kill me. Oh. Oh, wow, he got me, bro. What the hell? So what's going on? Just knives only, bro. Just got the notification. What? You just got the notification now? Yo, stay streaming when I sleep, lol. Hope I didn't miss his stream. I've been streaming for 4 hours and 30 minutes, bro. They probably stream sniping you. I'm gonna just go another way now, bro. Someone's using a gun.
Enemy contact.
Fortnite, bro. Oh no.
The enemy has the bomb.
Oh, he's over the wheel there. What the hell? Oh, I saw him. Bro, who's using a pistol? Oh, I saw him.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
No, bro, 2v1.
I have contact.
I saw someone right here. Nope. Oh, I got him. Nice. Where's he at, though? I can't get up. Oh, I saw him.
They have the bomb.
No. No, bro. Rip that. Golden Gilder, welcome to my stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Valeria G, welcome to my stream, bro. If there's a new, make sure to click that follow button, bro. Appreciate that, bro. It's streamed for 4 more hours. Hold on, I'll be on soon. Every water call will return. I wanted they're saying I'm good with snipers, even though I can't hit my shots. Guys, if you guys are new, make sure to click that follow button, bro. Really appreciate that, guys. I'm so bad at snipers, bro. I'm worse at sniper knives than at sniping.
Targets in sight.
Oh, he's gonna kill me. Where did he go though? Where did he go, bro? Thanks for the follow, Valeria. I appreciate that. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, bro. Oh shit. Thanks for the follow, Valeria. I appreciate that, bro. Also, make sure to click that follow, your subscribe button on YouTube, bro. Stream for 10 more hours, Lord. Just lie and hit. Okay, I'll try, bro. Bro, I think we're 6 away from. We're 6. Drugsy, welcome to my stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. I appreciate that a lot, guys. I'm 6 away from hitting 400 followers, bro. 6 away, bro. 1v2 to Ronaldo. Oh, nice. Ronaldo took that kill. Nice. Oh, he saw him. Get him, bro. Get him, Ronaldo. Oh, nice, bro.
Nice work. Ready for the next round.
I don't think I only have 1 kill. Oh, I think I have 2 kills. I just remember now. I think I have 2 kills. No, I only have 1? What the hell? I had 2. Well, that sucks.
Defend the objectives.
Thanks for the hype,
They have the bomb.
executive.
There can only be one winner.
I can't pronounce that word, bro.
Changing that.
Oh, got him with the slide. Nice, 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 bro. I slid, bro.
Get ready for the
Good
next one.
slide, COD. COD best. Okay, guys, let's do this.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb.
They put trophy systems on, bro. What the hell? Awesome. No! How did I die to that shit, bro? Oh, that's because I threw the axe at it. Bro, that was lame. Imagine dying to a trophy system. Imagine dying to a stupid trophy system. That sucks. That was so lame, bro. 2v1 though. You guys can clutch this, guys. Oh, you guys can clutch this, guys.
Finish the mission.
Ronaldo, you can clutch this, bro. Oh no, he's right in front there. No. Dang, that axe came on him, bro. The axe came on him.
Ready up.
I don't even use the axe because I don't even get a single kill with the axe. I'm terrible with the knife, and with the axe it's just like even worse.
Defend the
Okay, so I'm not going to be
objectives.
using the axe anymore because they use trophy systems a lot. But make it put one right here.
Targets in sight.
Nice, we got him. Bro, how did I die to this car? Bro, I've been dying on so many stupid ways. Why did I die to this stupid car? I can't believe an axe can destroy car, bro. That combat axe destroyed that car and it's killed me on the process. That's insane. Slide? Okay.
Last man standing.
Oh wow.
Finish it.
Can you take that axe, Aris? Can you get a kill there? Oh, nice kill with the axe there. 1v1 now.
Contact with enemy.
Oh, you see him, bro. Oh, nice, bro.
Nice work.
My teammates are pretty good,
Next
bro.
round.
The knives only. SoundOff, welcome back to my stream, bro. Well, no drink setup? Nah, bro. Rip the
Defend
drink
objective.
setup, bro.
The enemy has the bomb.
Can't afford too much alcohol, bro. Bro, I swear, bro. I was trying to put that stupid trophy system.
Targets in sight.
Oh, that guy teleported. It's a 1v3, 1v3, bro. What the hell? Oh, missed that one. Nice kill. Got Praga there, nice. Pernhard, welcome back to my stream, bro. Bro, Ronaldo got another kill. Can he 1v3 this? Oh wow. No. The axe bro, the axe
Not
bro.
over yet. Ready up.
I need to help my teammates, bro. I'm doing so bad.
Defend the objectives.
Why is the choice system for you cannot? Why is the trophy system for you cannot use grenade? I don't use the grenades to avoid the. Bro, I slid, bro. Hello, Pornhub. I slid, bro, and still killed me. The trophy system is to avoid those combat axes, because the combat axes gets destroyed by the trophy system.
Last man standing. Finish it.
Oh, nice kill there. They have aimbot, lol. Mohammed, welcome back to my stream, bro. How is streaming going so far? It's going so good. It's going really good, bro. I got to level 2 today on hat system. You see that?
Nice work.
iBot here donated 700,000 points, bro. Imagine. I'm getting on. Okay, add water. So iBot here got me to level 2 today, bro.
Destroy the objective.
Gather now.
The aim assist on phone is stranger than iPads. I'm not using aim assist now. I'm not using aim assist at all.
Contact with enemy.
How did I miss him? Just like to kill this guy. Oh, I should have killed him, bro. No.
Bomb acquired.
Nice.
Nice work.
So that's why you
Next round.
That's why you can't hit nice shots. Is this going to be a video? Yeah, I think it is. I'm recording.
Destroy the
They
objective.
axe aim assist, so when you slide, the crossfire automatically comes down. Oh, they have an aim assist, so when you slide, the crossfire automatically comes down. Oh, I see. No, I don't use aim assist.
Targets in sight.
Someone's here. The target's. Oh, here he is. Where's he gonna go? Oh, got him. Nice. Can that guy clutch a 1v3?
We got the bomb.
Where's he at?
Contact with enemy.
Nice, bro. Aim assist is the best thing while you're using knife. It is.
The next round.
I did not know it was. I got 3 kills only. No.
Destroy the
Why is it so
objective.
good? Why is aim assist so good with knife? I wouldn't think it is, because there's no way that you can aim with knife at. You just have to get close and like knife someone with it. That's my opinion. Oh, one of my teammates died to a drone, to one of those trophy systems. That's a big rip. What rank am I? I'm Master 3. Master 3 on ranked and Master 4 on BR. Bro, look at this guy right here. No! Ah, I knew it was gonna kill me, bro. Use for 1 round? Okay. I'll try right now.
Last one. Complete the mission.
There we go. Pixel, welcome back to my stream, bro. Your crossfire will automatically return to your enemy when using it. Oh, okay. I'm back mentor for sure, bro. Pixel. Oh wow. Got him. That guy just can't be in that little spot right there, bro. That's pretty
Ready
good.
up.
He put his trophy system, bro. Okay. Okay, guys.
Well done.
So the aim assist is good for knifing. You should I double cast? What do you mean double? You can if you want, bro. You see I got to level 2 today, bro. I bought here casted a lot of donos, bro.
Contact with enemy.
Oh no. Oh, got him. What the hell? Maybe that was that aim assist right there, guys. Mario, welcome to the stream, bro. Thanks for the cast. Stay safe, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Get you, fam. Oh, I'm so dead. No, I only knew I was on dead, bro. 20 balls, welcome back to the stream, bro. See? Yeah, for sure, bro. I got too close to him right there with when he had the axe out.
Ready up.
Rio, welcome to my stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. I really appreciate that, bro.
Destroy the objective.
Okay, guys, let's see this. Yo, can I play? Yeah, you can play, bro. After this match. We're doing snipers only after this match.
Targets in sight.
Oh, I should've. No, how did he kill me, bro? What are you guys doing? Just sniping right now. It's me, Quirts. Oh, Quirts? Okay, bro. Well, thanks for bringing back, bro. Bro, look, that trophy system is very OP, bro. It makes cars like explode very from far away, bro. That is crazy. I'm so good, AR. I'm so good at knifing. Oh, nice, bro. That trophy system makes those cars explode from hella far away. You guys can get him, bro. Attack him at once. Attack him once, both together, bro. Oh, is this one? Nice, bro. Ronaldo, nice. Campbell, welcome back to my stream, bro.
The next round.
9 and 5, bro. I wanted to get a kill, bro. I wanted to get the kill count if possible. Ronaldo has 17 kills, bro. How many? My other teammate has 16, bro.
Destroy the objective.
Oh, you were winning?
Acquired.
Nice. You're winning sticks and stones. Oh, wow.
Contact with enemy.
Nice, bro. How about that, bro? Trying to camp in that spot again, bro.
Well done.
Let me put this right here. Welcome back to the stream, bro. Oh, nice, we won, bro. Bro, did he do that with a gun? Brian, welcome to the stream, bro. Make sure to click that follow button, bro. Really appreciate that, bro. I thought he. Oh no, he did do it with a knife. Oh, I thought it was a gun at first. I was like, what? GG's, bro. You feel the assist? Yeah, I do feel it, bro. Aim assist OP for sure, bro. Bro, I hate knives. I love that mods. I don't know why. What do you mean, Pixel? I'm gonna request to join. Okay, bro. GG's, bro. GG's.